Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners. I have a quick tip for you today, and I want to show you using a zip tie So I just put the zip tie in place. And if you don't have a snips, you can just use your pliers. You take a pliers and just turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. And now it's finished off. And if you want to remove it and reuse it again, just turn it over to the back and just snip a little further away from the clasp. And you pop it back out, and then you can reuse the zip tie again for smaller things. That's your quick tip. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.